Welcome to Clarity Unlocked Lesson. Have you ever felt like the day just slipped through your fingers? You wake up, check your phone, get caught in chaos, and before you know it, boom, another day gone. No progress, no peace, just noise. But what if I told you that you could own your day instead of letting it own you? The ancient Stoics, some of the wisest minds in history, left behind simple but powerful rules. Rules that helped them lead with calm, courage, and clarity, even during wars, loss, and chaos. And today, those same rules can help you conquer your day, one clear action at a time. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're into real wisdom that cuts through the noise, you're in the right place. The Stoics believed that most of our suffering doesn't come from events, but from our reaction to them. Marcus Aurelius said it best: "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Think about how much energy we waste daily, getting angry at traffic, upset by someone's comment, or anxious over things that haven't even happened yet. You can't control the weather. You can't control what someone else says, but you can control how you respond. The Stoics called this the dichotomy of control. It means breaking the world into two simple categories: what's up to you and what's not. When something stressful happens today, pause and ask yourself, is this in my control? If the answer is no, let it go. If the answer is yes, act on it with calm and focus. This mindset alone can protect your peace better than any meditation app. Say it with me. Focus on what I can control. Let go of the rest. Most people wake up and immediately dive into distraction, scrolling their phones, checking messages, reacting to the world before they've even met themselves. The Stoics did the opposite. Before stepping into the chaos of the day, they took a quiet moment to reflect. Marcus Aurelius used to write to himself each morning, not for others, just for him. A reminder of what kind of person he wanted to be that day. He wrote things like, "Today you'll meet people who are rude, selfish, and angry, but you don't have to become them." That's Stoic preparation, setting your mindset before the world does. You don't need a fancy journal or a perfect routine. Just take 2 to 5 minutes after waking up. Ask yourself, what kind of person do I want to be today? What challenge might I face? And how will I handle it? This is how you start the day on your terms, not someone else's. Before emails. Before social media. Just you and your mind. Because if you don't program your mind in the morning, someone else will do it for you. Comfort feels good, but it makes you soft. Stoics knew that growth comes from challenge, not ease. That's why they practiced voluntary discomfort. Seneca, a Roman Stoic, would sleep on the floor, wear cheap clothes, and eat simple food, even though he was rich. Why? To remind himself, I can survive this. So if life ever took a turn, he wouldn't panic. Now, you don't need to live like a monk, but try this. Take a cold shower. Skip a meal once a week. Say no when you want to please everyone. Do something hard on purpose just to prove you can. You'll feel uncomfortable. That's the point. Because every time you step into discomfort voluntarily, you take power back. You train your mind to handle stress, pain, and uncertainty. Not with fear, but with calm. Comfort is a cage. Discomfort? That's your training ground. Most people avoid thinking about bad things, but Stoics, they imagined them on purpose. It's called negative visualization. And no, it's not about being negative. It's about being prepared. Epictetus taught, don't just expect bad things. Practice imagining them. That way, when they come, you won't be surprised. Picture this. You lose your job. You get rejected. Plans fall apart. Now ask, how would I handle it? What would I still have? Who could I become through it? By visualizing loss or setbacks, you build emotional armor. So when life hits you, you don't break. You bend. This doesn't mean you walk around fearing the worst. It means you expect reality and prepare to stay calm through it. Today, try this. Close your eyes for 60 seconds and imagine something going wrong. Not to worry, but to mentally train for it. Because life rarely goes as planned. But with stoic preparation, you won't be caught off guard. Ever find yourself replaying a past mistake? Or stressing about something that hasn't even happened yet? That's your mind dragging you everywhere, except here. The Stoics knew this trap well. That's why they practiced one of the most powerful habits of all, being present. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Confine yourself to the present." Why? Because the present moment is the only place where life actually happens. The past is gone. The future isn't here yet. But right now, this is real. This is yours. When you're eating, just eat. When you're walking, feel the steps. When you're working, give it your full attention. Try this anytime today. Take a deep breath. Notice your surroundings. Ask yourself, where am I right now? If your mind says, I'm in the future, bring it back. If it says, I'm in the past, what if, instead of fighting life, you started embracing it, all of it? That's the heart of the Stoic idea called amor fati, which means love your fate, not tolerate it, not survive it. Love it, even the pain, even the failure, even the unexpected. Friedrich Nietzsche said, "My formula for greatness in a human being is amor fati, that one wants nothing to be different, not forward, not backward, not in all eternity. When something happens, good or bad, don't say, why me? Say, good, let's use this. Got rejected, learn from it, lost something, make space for something better. Life got tough, so did you." This mindset is unbreakable. It turns every challenge into fuel, every setback into strength. Today, try this. When something doesn't go your way, instead of getting angry or sad, just say amor fati and move forward with power. Because life isn't about what happens to you. It's about how you use what happens. The day's over. You're tired. Most people scroll themselves to sleep or binge distractions until their eyes shut. Not the Stoics. They ended their day with something simple, but powerful. Reflection. Seneca would review his actions before bed. He asked himself, what did I do well today? Where did I fall short? What can I do better tomorrow? This wasn't self-criticism. It was self-mastery. No shame, no drama, just truth. Because how can you grow if you never check in? Here's a quick Stoic night ritual you can try. Before sleeping, ask yourself, did I live according to my values today? Did I let emotions control me? Or did I respond with wisdom? What lesson did this day teach me? Write it down. Or just think about it in silence. This is how you close the day like a Stoic, with honesty, peace, and purpose. So when your head hits the pillow, you're not running from yourself. You're growing with yourself.